Medical research starts here. An idea is given a research grant, and then scientists work on it in a laboratory. And if the experiments and research indicate it could turn into a new treatment, then it goes to the commercialization team to work on a clinical trial, which may then lead to the treatment being offered as part of our healthcare system. Imagine you are the scientist who has been given the grant. The grant covers things like the scientists working directly on the research idea, equipment needed for the experiment, and supplies. It doesn't cover electricity, IT, Susie and Greg from payroll, the rent on the building the lab is in, the staff who clean the lab, the maintenance of equipment, the commercialization staff, the costs of IP protection, and the commercialization of the research itself. For every $1 of research grant money, we know that we need an extra 60 cents in indirect costs, the items we've shown in pink. Last year, the indirect costs for Victorian independent medical research were over $175 million. Currently, the Victorian government funds $34 million of that, meaning Victorian medical research institutes need to fund the other $141 million from other sources. Indirect costs are the backbone of our research funding, and we need it to literally keep the lights on. In 2017-18, independent Victorian medical research institutes were made up of 5,700 staff and students. They had 917 industry partnerships, 7 new startup companies, and 845 active clinical trials. This budget, we're asking for an extra $20 million per year of additional support towards our indirect costs, which will help our scientists focus on what they do best and cement Victoria's place as a world leader in medical research.